Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin with just 2 checks. You're on Windows 10, and you're signed into an account that can change settings. Once done, right-click an empty space on the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings to open the control pane. This step opens the exact toggles you'll use, so make sure the settings window is visible and not behind another app. If you use multiple monitors, keep that in mind now because options differ slightly for each display. Now toggle the option labeled Automatically Hide the Taskbar in Desktop Mode to on. You'll immediately see the bar slide out of view when not in use. If you use tablet mode or a convertible device, enable the tablet setting as well so behavior is consistent. Make sure to check the Multiple Displays section and choose whether to show the taskbar on all screens or only the main one. These settings control both how and where the taskbar retracts, giving you a cleaner workspace. With settings applied, move your mouse away and watch the taskbar slide down. Hover or press the Windows key to bring it back. If the bar still stays visible, open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer, right-click and choose Restart. That often forces the new behavior. If restarting Explorer fails, toggle the auto hide off and on again or sign out and back in. As a final troubleshooting tip, creating a fresh user profile.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.